A desiccator is an essential tool used in chemistry labs to keep substances dry.
Inside a desiccator, a chemical drying agent absorbs moisture from the air to keep samples dry.
Desiccators come in various sizes, catering to different sample requirements. A vacuum desiccator can be used to accelerate drying by removing air pressure inside.
Using a desiccator helps maintain the integrity of moisture-sensitive samples. Always check the seal of a desiccator to ensure maximum efficiency.
Desiccators should be stored in a cool, dry place when not in use.
Regularly replace the drying agent to ensure the desiccator functions effectively.
Understanding how to use a desiccator can significantly enhance lab work involving sensitive materials.